How to get YouTube Premium for free. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get the YouTube Premium for free. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your YouTube. After opening up your YouTube, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So here you just need to navigate to your profile. After that, simply hit on that settings. And here you'll be able to see purchases and memberships option. Simply tap on it, and here you get those options. So here I just want you to tap on this learn more option. After that, here you'll get a bunch of plans here. So here you just need to go either a bunch of plans like individual, family, student. You may just click on any of the plans. I'm just gonna click on student right now. Get student plan. And here you just need to verify yourself in order to get that plan. So unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can get the YouTube Premium plans for free. But what you can do is instead is just pay this much amount. Right now it says you need to pay $1 per month, which is very affordable for you as a student. But there are some offers that says you just need to pay $0. You just need to click on those plans. If those kind of offers are available on YouTube, you may just click on it and add a payment method, and you may cancel anytime if you want. Even if you add a payment method, you won't be charged any fees. So look out for those kind of offers, and you should be able to get the YouTube Premium for free. Otherwise, you may just go along with these plans and purchase the YouTube Premium plans and get the YouTube Premium. So therefore, that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.